Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about analog to digital or digital to analog conversion. Okay, so most of the signal of practical intersect such as speech, biological signals or other signals, radar signals, sonar signals and various communication signals such as audio and video signals are analog. Okay, we know that to process analog signal by digital means it is first necessary to convert them into digital form. Okay, that is to convert them to a sequence of number having finite position, and this procedure is called analog to digital or analog to digital conversion, and the corresponding devices are called analog to digital converter. Here we know that when we convert a signal analog to digital need a analog to digital converter. So conceptually we viewed analog to digital conversion as a three-step process, and this process is in figure. Okay, so first is sampler. So actually what is sampler or sampling? This is the conversion of a continuous time signal into a discrete time signal obtained by taking samples. Okay, taking samples of a continuous time signal at discrete time insets. Thus, if XAT, okay, thus if XAT, that's the XAT is the input of sampler, this is the input of sampler, the output is xn or x of nt, something like that. So here x naught nt equal x of n. Okay, mind it, where t is called the sampling interval. Okay, and next one is quantizer. So actually what is quantization? This is the conversion of a discrete time continuous valued signal into a discrete time. So discrete value signal, the value of each signal sample is respected by a value selected from an infinite set of possible values. Okay, the difference between the quantization sample xn and the quantized output xqn and the quantized output xqn, this is the quantized input x of n and this is the quantized output xqn. Okay, is called the quantization error. Okay, and next is coder with, but in this section what is actually coder and what's its works principle. So in the coding process, the discrete values xqn, that's the discrete values xqn is represented by a bit binary sequence. Okay, so although we model the AD converter, means analog to digital converter, as a sampler followed by a quantizer and coder, in participate the AD conversion is performed by a signal device that takes XAT, and the procedures a binary coder number, that's the procedure a binary coder number. Here we output as binary coder number, which is digital signal. Okay, and the operation of sampling and quantization can be performed in either order, but in practice sampling is always performed before quantization. Okay, so that's the analog to digital conversion. Thank you everyone, and subscribe my channel. See you in next tutorial.